All right, hello my friend. Welcome to the 4% Success Challenge for Affiliate Marketing. This is just the beginning. Can you handle this? I'm going to ask you to do things that you will not be comfortable doing because you've never done it before.
I'm only on session 12 and I'm already seeing real results.
You need motivation. I need motivation every single day.
I already have 9 sales and here's some commissions.
260 people on my list.
A whole bunch of people on the list. I've started to make sales as well.
Literally step by step by step.
First 1,000 visitors to my promotional pages, 240 new leads.
Yay! You know what I mean?
I have 3 huge goals.
I want to talk to you about the 12 key attributes of a 4%er.
$498. Let's just round that off to $500.
You see how having multiple streams of income just makes sense?
You could be 30 days away from experiencing a completely transformed life.
Oh, I'm loving the challenge. I'm loving it, Vic.
Achieve your wildest dreams because it's possible for you.